it the
You give me straight.
Welcome back to another episode of Outdoor Cooking, guys. Welcome back to another epic video, and today we're gonna be cooking some brown stew haggis with some cornmeal dumpling. Real countryside food, yeah man. So just stay tuned. Alright guys, you know the regular. We have Levon, Island Adventure. We have Duane over here. Everald. Little Kelani, I have RJ over there. So we're gonna start cooking, guys, so stay tuned. Half a again, actually. Yeah. We're going to debone it and brown stew it. See? Nice piece of haggis. Alright? So stay tuned until we get it seasoned up and clean up. Is it cold enough?
No, you use a blanch here, blanch.
Oh, so we're gonna use the firewood to blanch it off, and then we use the coal and cook it. Okay. Real Trentine, all in teachers. See teachers? Again.
Pink.
Guys, have you seen this before? Duane, what is this?
Duppy pumpkin in here.
Duppy pumpkin.
So
why they call it duppy pumpkin?
Duppy day night.
It look like, you see them look like a cucumber.
Top it up.
Up in here, let me see inside of it.
So that right, Duane?
It's not
This is how it's looking. They say it's a duppy pumpkin. Up close, this is how it look inside. Look at the view. I have the fireman over there. I catch the fire. And teeth, that's enough?
Yeah, I'm going to the teeth, the nose.
Oh, the nose, yeah, the nose part is good.
When...
So this is the finished product. You see how much meat the pan is a haggis again? And some of them not finished cut yet. What for meat the pan?
Look good early.
Yeah.
Earth sun. Let me look.
Haggis for days.
That thing's there.
Oh, you go want some of it too?
Yeah.
Like your fire too, Jaya. Tell her that you're free. Alright guys, now go ahead now and get me season. So these are some blended season. Some hot pepper seasoning. Some chicken seasoning. And here I have some rosemary. Some pimento seed as well, crushed pimento. Some pepper sauce. Yeah. Then we're gonna go ahead and add some brownie because we have some brown stew haggis. Alright, I'm going to rub it in now.
They look good, man. Cash food. What did they let this?
Thank you. Right, in here we have our scallion garlic and a little bit of carrot. Man, the heat is hot. So this is my pepper. You can't buy the regular pepper. So me have to buy this Tree Jamaica first scotch bonnet pepper. Nice and gummy. Alright guys, we gotta need some cornmeal dumplings to go with our brown stew haggis.
You don't mix the dumpling with the rice.
Alright, so we have some
Rice and
cornmeal.
dumpling. Cornmeal, I don't have cornmeal in dumpling, but I take long to come. I think man I don't drink, you know.
You were doing say one cornmeal dumpling. So when it drop in our belly, it just float. It's heavy. Alright, we're going to need the dumpling now. It looks like you want more cornmeal, don't you? Oh, a little bit more cornmeal. reggae food to that thumbnail now. Don't stress me again.
No, done. Pick up some of that.
Fire. Whoop! Smoke a burn my eye. Thumbnail. Oh. Well, guys, this is 2:30 and the river is very festive. You have a lot of people coming in now. It's like 2:30 now. This is the finished product of the brownstew haggis. I would call it say finished now, so I'm going to take it off the fire right now, and the dumplings and the fire still cooking. How is the food?
Very good.
Ever? That chop over there. Levan over here, so back good to you now, Kelani. You can run the plate over here. Alright guys, we come to the end of the video. If you reach this far, thanks for watching. Please remember to like, share, comment and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.